Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, I destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Nia Tembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if you are Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas. We're black and blonde today, darling.
Black and blonde.
Yeah, I think I like us black and blonde.
Couple from heaven.
It's so
Are you
annoying.
not a couple?
Shut up, Lamini. Hello. Hi, guys. How are you? Are you guys a couple? Would you mind doing a couples quiz? A very quick one.
Hey man, I feel like I've seen you before though.
No, you haven't.
On YouTube or something?
No, I'm on TikTok. Come closer. Okay, you can.
I know, yeah.
Why are you scared? Okay, so what if I'm on
The
YouTube?
thing is, I don't like being on camera like that. Just-
Really? You don't like being on camera, or you don't like being on camera with your women?
I don't like
Are you
being-
are you hiding her?
Maybe. No, I'm not.
Nah. Because what do you mean?
I just don't like
Don't you look like an artist?
it. I am, but
Exactly. I knew it. Come here. You need to get used to this. Let's practice. Let's practice. What do you do?
I make music.
So what do you mean you don't like being on camera?
Like, you just caught us off guard. It's like you just bombarded us. Like,
I'm sorry. I apologize, but I need to eat too. This is my work.
Okay, so what's this about exactly?
I'm just going to ask you literally like 3 questions each,
Okay.
and then you can go.
Okay, cool.
Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine.
Nigga, relax.
No, I'm fine. I'm chill. I'm chill.
I got relaxing, yambo.
That's
That's it.
I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing.
Okay,
Come
fine.
on, listen, more chance.
Okay. Name?
Mm-hmm.
Name?
My name is Penny.
Penny and?
I'm Tepiso.
Zebi, so how long have you known Penny?
It's been 6 months now.
6 months. Still going strong.
Yes. I love it to death, eh?
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. In 6 months.
Yeah,
You
I mean,
can't.
you know, yeah, I'm a lover
But I
boy.
think 6 months is enough.
I'm a lover boy.
Oh, okay. What's your
Yes.
star sign?
What's that saying? I'm a Cancer.
I'm a Cancer. Okay, where did you meet Tsebiso?
Simite Maponya Mall.
Okay. Do you remember
Yes.
the first thing he said to you?
Yeah.
What was it?
Oh, Tepiso. Okay, besihleli lapha besijimini. Then Tepiso came to me, wang approach like yeah, besenza ama squat that say let's senza ama squat.
Who owns the skirt? So she was struggling with squats.
Yeah, she was struggling at the
Yes, that's my first time.
Men are so annoying. I'm sorry. Okay. I guess you liked it.
Yeah,
Because
so
here you are.
yeah, then we meet, then after gym we go out for lunch. Then wang shashaya wang shashanga khona
Yes.
namashashaya.
And now you're here.
Yes.
Okay, what is it that you like about him?
Phathana kahle.
Okay.
Yeah, he's loving. Like, uyangenzela into eyiningi. Like, if I want something, he buys for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Mm.
Mr. Provider. Okay. I stand proud as a fellow Cancer.
I appreciate it.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, though, how much do you trust her?
10.
10.
Yes.
Not leaving anything for
Not
disappointment.
leaving anything for disappointment. Within the period of 6 months already. 100%. Yeah.
Damn. Okay, Penny. How much do you trust him on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9. 9, 1 for,
One.
for disappointment.
One.
Phela ngithi sisana 6 months, so
Yeah.
safuna ukufunda.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do one more thing before you guys can go, ne? What we do on the show, we basically make couples switch phones, okay?
What?
We make couples switch phones.
For what?
To test your loyalty.
But she knows that I'm loyal. I know that she's loyal also. So we
Do you
don't-
know that you're loyal? Because you look like you don't know that you're loyal.
I know that I'm loyal.
Are you sure?
Yes. I
Penny.
don't need to prove to anyone.
You didn't need to prove to your
She
woman.
knows.
Does she? That one she left out, she said she trusts you 9 out of 10. So we
Yeah,
need to
but-
solidify. Do you understand? This relationship
Not
into a
saying
10 out of
uyavuma,
10.
Ngiyavuma baby.
How?
How?
Sisitshe amafoni.
Angithi ngifuna i-10, ngifuna i-1, kube i-10.
She trust you 9 out of 10.
Hayi, asenzelana baby, kunani?
No, feel like I told you. I don't have my camera manje mfethu.
Are you hiding something?
I'm not hiding anything.
Are you sure?
I'm
Are you not
definitely.
going to delete anything on the way home?
No, she can hold my phone on the way home. It's actually fine. Asambe pe.
No, asime, simuphi chance.
No, manjena. Can you talk to your man, Sana?
Asimbonise ukuthi uloyal kimi.
Mfethu abazali bayibheki what if inguphi show yakho mfethu?
It's on YouTube. You said you knew me from YouTube. It's on YouTube.
So ibhekelele.
Do I have an option to say
No,
why don't I have an option?
because your lady wants to see your phone.
Yes, please.
Eh, so stop abantu nje random people.
Ah,
What if I couldn't stop them?
Yes. Including the phone.
Can I feel?
Thank you. We'll start with. Are you going to be more comfortable if we start with pennies? Okay.
Yeah, let's start with that.
Okay. Cool.
Because I trust her.
Okay. Not because you're hiding anything.
No.
Penny, can you please have your phone? We have a passcode password, ne?
Mm-hmm.
Just open it. Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you.
But if I sense I'm telling you, like I want thing, it's like I say, woo, like yes, I don't like being out there like that.
Just do this for me, sir. I apologize. Okay. Go to
So-
WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay. Search. Type love you.
Really next.
Okay. Okay. Delete that.
It's only me.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for informing me.
Yes.
Delete that. Type how you wanted. How are you? Type miss you.
Nami phone name is type lezinto lezi.
Hey, when what's wrong with that, Sabisa?
It's my phone, though. It's my phone. Yeah.
Penny
so-
artist, this needs to be the last artist you date. If
Why?
anything ever happens.
So who should I date? If not her, who should I date?
I'm saying she should not date you.
Yeah,
You can date
who should
any-
I date if not her?
I don't know, nigga. You'll figure it out. Or the girl you're probably cheating with. You can carry on with her.
Why do you think I'm
Because
cheating?
you're panicking.
I'm not panicking.
Are
I'm
you
just,
sure?
I'm just, no, like, I don't understand why we're doing this, Joe. Like, it's like, and it's got such shy, Joe.
Yeah, it's episode.
That's why we need to hurry. What are you saying? Go miss you?
It's me again.
Okay, delete that. Type babe. Okay.
If it's Vela mina, if it's.
Okay, delete that. Type outside.
What's your name again?
Lisa?
Why are you doing this then? So is this what you do like on a daily? You just walk around?
Yes, I need to eat.
So
I don't
when
have a job.
Shall I put on back?
Ngingangimpilo.
Shall I put on back? I can actually, yeah.
What will I do there?
There's a lot that you can do.
Okay, we'll talk after this. After this.
Like really next actually.
Okay, delete that type last night.
Yo, last night.
So if you work with me here. Okay, clean.
Nothing's key.
Okay, delete that. Type pregnant. Shushed.
Oh, oh no, her friend is pregnant. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Delete that. Type test. HIV test, STIs.
And like, what are you searching for?
Test.
That's giving us a little force look over equal and tolerance. So it's not going to
Sepiso yenza uthe isikhathi. Hawa.
look very neat.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Ah,
Nothing.
very neat.
Give your woman back her phone, please, sir. We're doing your phone, Galok.
Whose phone?
Yours.
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We communicated this before we started.
Yes.
So please. Are we gonna have to convince you again now? Bah?
But my phone is off.
You're lying. Let me see. Exactly. Open your phone, passcode, password. Do you know his password?
Yes.
Why didn't you check it on your own?
No. I don't want to touch his phone.
Okay, but today you do.
Yes.
Okay, go to WhatsApp.
Uh-huh.
Okay, search.
Okay.
Go back WhatsApp am now.
Type love you.
Pin.
Yeah.
Phone and WhatsApp am.
Okay, what are you seeing?
Who's Zinhle?
Go into the chat.
Isn't
Whoa.
Sibona
No,
izinto.
Zinhle, Des lost his phone.
No, nisendelana
Listen
nemali
to
la.
him say- Yeah, Des lost his phone. So
Hayibo.
Des ichileka Zinhle. So Des
Nibizana nangabo baby.
Des was bukhuluma uDes lapha ngisho ngikutshela.
But wena nozinto nibizana nangabo baby.
Beku Des
Ngitshela kabi. Ngitshela
Was
kabi.
using your phone.
Yeah, Des is my cousin, my brother, yeah.
But nisendelana nemali.
Des was the one sending
Uyakuzwa la ukuthi baby niphuma nini?
Yena no Des ngisho ngikutshela.
Wena nozinhle.
uDes noZinhle.
Thephisa uqamba makabheka uzinhle la. Bheka uzinhle athi niphuma nini?
So listen mfethu.
And bheka umsendele bheka.
I can see.
Yo, hayi uyangihlanyisa futhi. Hayi uyangihlanyisa.
This is a very serious
Hayi
relationship.
uyangihlanyisa futhi. Uthi uyangithanda?
Ngiyakuthanda mfethu.
Njani? Uzinhle nisendelana imali.
uDes.
Njani wena nozinhle nisendelana imali?
uDes.
Yazi yazi ngize ngishisela.
Let's call
Udes.
him. I mean,
Ah.
we'll call Zinhle again to ask if
Asimfonele uzinhle ke uDes.
For ini manje?
Asimfonele.
ask galoko.
Usescam uZinhle mfethu class mfethu namti step mntana abantu jo.
House uDes. SekuDes manje.
uZinhle useskela.
Asimfonele.
Okay.
Makalisa mfethu what are you going to gain from this?
What do you mean?
Othel nawukhona la.
Ungitshela amasimba. Ungitshela amasimba shem Thephisa.
Mayisaxabanisa.
Ungitshela amasimba. Ubani uzinhle?
Uzinhle, Chira
Ungitshela
kaDes.
amasimba. Ungitshela amasimba uzongizela nama STI. Okuqala bothi singayo izicondom izolo.
Ooh.
Ungitshela amasimba. Ungitshela kabi shem. Uzinhle sizomfonela.
Asivale.
Sizomfonela.
Asabe.
Asay next hlukana nami. Asifonela uzinhle. Ungitshela kabi. Ungitshela kabi.
Makalisa mfethu inhle.
Ungitshela kabi yo. Ngiyashiselwa yazi. Ungitshela kabi.
Hi, can I please speak to Zinhle?
Hi Zinhle unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Wo Thephisa wo please wait. Hi Zinhle unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila ukhuluma noPhenny ne?
Alright.
uPhenny umuntu kaThepiso. Uyini wena noThepiso?
Ezinhle.
Wo. Stop it man. Nenzani?
Siyajola sisi.
Ngiqalene nokujola.
noDes angisho Ezinhle.
2 days.
noDes.
Ngithi mina Zinhle wena noThepiso niqalene ukujola. Uyaphika la uthi uDes. Uthi wena uDes.
Sesinesikhathi sijola.
Uyazi ukuthi ngipregnant? Ngumuntu wakhe. Ungijwayela kabi uThepiso. Ungijwayela kabi. Athi akajoli nawe athi uDes.
I didn't do this.
Namang ujola nami.
Cabang, Thephisa ungijwayela kabi. Ungijwayela kabi shem.
Sile wena.
Ungijwayela kabi lo muntu wakho. Ungijwayela kabi. Hlukana nami ne. Mina nawe siphelile yami nawe ne. Uyangihlanyisa. Nawe ukhuluma na unibani? Ngihamba.
Yahamba. Phela ngizokutshelela live phela ke manje ngisho ngijule ukuthi ngijule fanele ngitshele.
Ifunayo le yangithi.
Ngihle khona iso sami ne. Yise wethu mina ke.
Nigga, fuck you.
Sorry ngiyabuya ngikuthi izinto zami ngine. Ngisho kuyafana. Sekuhlukane nami ngiyaqhubeka ngihamba. Ngiyahamba.
Can I talk to you with like for like
Nick,
5 minutes?
you're not my type, so please leave.
Sisebenze ne.
Please leave.
Bhekani next. Usisi yekela usisi.
Vele.
Bhekana nesisi. Bhekana nendaba zakho.
Exactly.
Bhekana nendaba zakho bhuti ungijwala amasimba. Uyangizothi ngithini? Ungijwala amasimba. Ngijwala kabi.
You're tongue-tied. You've got nothing to say. You're
Wena
tongue-tied.
Kenza.
Ungazothi
Dude, leave me alone. This is your woman.
Leave you alone.
Khuluma nami.
Ngifuna manje.
Khuluma nami.
Khuluma nami ungijwala kabi. Ukhuluma nami angithi yekela usisi. Bhekana nendaba zakho. Yekela uthi awuthi yami. Ubani hayi hlukana nami. Hlukana nami. Khuluma kini.
Sure.
Phela uzothatha
Now uhlukana nanathi. Please leave.
Listen mfethu. Can I like speak to you for like 2 minutes?
No.
Now actually wanna like ngisho sikhuluma ngale ndaba lespan ukuthi.
No, it's fine. I don't need work. I lied.
So is this what you do on a daily basis?
Yes, and
It's
yeah.
not fair.
Please leave me alone. Just leave. I'm sorry about your relationship, but you cheated. No one sent you to cheat, bruh.
Baby,
He is such a player.
such a player.
You, sis. It goes south there. Now you're trying to shell the knee for what?
Ulande enye ikhensa ngithi.
I mean, can we stand here?
Ulande enye ikhensa.
Imagine, I would never date a cancer man.
Cancer to cancer.
Probably let me not say that. But you are. I don't think I've ever dated a cancer guy. We'd clash, man. But anyway, Clams, how?
To cancer.
Are you done?
Me?
Please take me to my mind.
Eh?
Please take me to my mind.
When do you want to go to my mind? When? Let me know when.
Maybe.
I'll avail myself.
Really, a Sunday is good.
Huh?
A Sunday is good.
Let me know when you're ready.
Are you gonna
Whenever,
take me,
yes, I'll take you.
Okay.
You're the one who wants to go there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so everything that needs payment, it's on you. Don't even think about, it's...
That Lamine is going to
Yeah,
pay.
no. I'm only going to go there to make sure that you have a good time and you are protected and everything goes well.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
But apparently my mind is safe, isn't it?
very much safe.
Yeah, so what do I need
It,
protection for?
No, you know, people when they see you,
Mm-hmm.
there are people that they've never seen you live. So when they see you, especially on a Sunday, my on a Sunday is packed.
Packed.
Yeah, so when you go there on a Sunday
That's good,
and
Jordan.
people they see you, they'll be like crazy, and I'll have to be there to make sure that.
Lamine, relax. I'm not famous.
Who says so?
Relax.
To me, maybe because I see you every day.
I'm not famous.
But to someone who said almost sees you on YouTube and smart TV, when they see you face to face,
You had to
Okay.
emphasize this one. Oh, I'm so tired of you.
yeah.
Okay, fine, Lamine. Shall we wrap?
Whenever you're ready to go there, let me know.
Okay, I will.
I'll provide myself. I'll avail myself.
Okay.
Even if I will not be available on that day,
Uh-huh.
I'll make sure that I cancel whatever.
Okay.
And
Thank you,
make myself
Lamine.
available.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, shall
Is
we
it-
close?
Is it the same wig you're wearing the last time?
No.
It's another one.
Yeah.
I know you have 16, so I was just...
Can we close, Lamine? He's so annoying. We're closing. Let me wrap
Yabona
it.
ngendlela umuhle ngayo ngathi uzofa. Ngathi uyahamba ke umuhle ngakhona these days ngathi nje ulungisele bathi umuntu masezofa indlela yakhe uyayibona and
Really?
they prepare.
But I'm not gonna die.
That's how my mom died.
Really?
I'm telling you, umama
Oh, damn.
ungayenza ngathi
Okay, sorry.
umama phinda me I'm telling you umama akazwazi enza inwele.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that day she woke up in the morning and did her own hair.
You
And I was
lie.
like, ma, why uzenza inwele?
Ah.
You know what she said?
What?
Athi that's what I athi umuntu masezohamba indlela yakhe uyayibona. The following day was chai. I'm serious. Was
So people actually feel it.
Yeah, you know when it's your day. You know. She felt it and she knew. Was prepared. The following day, hey, bye-bye.
That was so crazy.
Yeah. So now masumuhle kanje seyasuspect ukuthi Lisa is going to see our father in heaven.
No, I'm not gonna die anytime soon, darling. Lots to do.
No, yeah, we still
Lots
have a lot.
to do in this world.
No, I see in this world, especially me and you, we still have a lot. Yeah, we still have a lot.
Okay.
There are things that we have not done. There are things that we have not even started.
So annoying.
Mina now.
In bed.
Yeah.
Guys, we're wrapping. Shall we wrap?
That's right.
All right, CMTV viewers, it's an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook as well, Lisa Serame. Why are you always smelling me? I was watching an episode the other day from yesterday. You were smelling me
I saw your comment, but I mean, why are you smelling Lisa's hair?
all the time.
They smell good. Yeah, it smells good. Ngathi uyifaka shampoo. Instagram, it's welcome _Dlamini. Etababili, TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Thank you, guys.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.